Alam niyo ba kung meron kayong 2,999 ay marami na kayong ma-avail na water activities dito sa Boracay? At kung ano yon? Tara!
You can enjoy snorkeling, free diving, free use of snorkeling gear, free diving fins, crystal kayaking, paddleboarding, water sliding, extreme speedboat tour, mermaid tails, diving from yacht rooftop, rooftop beach beds, relaxing sunbathing net, free Starlink Wi-Fi on board, 316 podium camera, and of course, hindi mawawala ang highlight of your sailing sa Red Whale, ang water gun party and party on board with our DJ. At exclusive for morning cruise, we have onboard babysitter and hair braiding. And for pictures and videos, we have GoPro, iPhone, 360 camera. And for the food and drinks, unlimited. We have complimentary foods on board, banana chips and biscuits. Unlimited din ang pika-pika, Korean cup noodles, fresh fruits, and also unlimited din ang cocktails and mocktails. Kaya't sana aabot ang 2,999 pesos mo? Dito lang yan sa Red Whale. Tara, Boracay tayo!